How's it going, everybody? Dane Wilson here with Lenders Choice Credit Solutions. We haven't done a video in a little while, and so I'm going to start up another video series. I have a long list of video topics that I'm going to cover, and we're just going to try to do as many as we can every single day, well, at least one a day, but want to do as many as I can every single day. Not to talk negatively, but there's just a lot of credit repair companies I see out there that aren't giving exactly correct advice, and it bothers me. This industry doesn't have the best reputation as a whole, and so I want to do every single thing I can to make sure that the correct information is being shared. And there's just a lot of good stuff to cover that people need to know about. Obviously, our goal is to help as many people buy a house as possible. We do everything we can to help people improve their credit score so they can realize the goal of homeownership, the dream of homeownership. So today, my question is, does opening a new credit card lower your credit scores? So the reason why I ask this question, I get this question a lot. Will opening a new credit card improve my credit scores? Does opening a new credit card lower my credit scores? I get this question all the time. And the answer is it depends. Everybody's situation is different. And so I'm going to be covering a lot of different topics, and a lot of the answers are going to be the same as this one. Everybody's situation is different, and will it improve your credit scores or will it hurt your scores? It depends on your situation. If you have a lot of aged credit and you've had open accounts for a long period of time, well, opening a new credit card could lower your average age of accounts, and it could affect your credit scores negatively. If you don't have any open credit cards at all, or if you're a young person with a thin credit file because you just don't have that many accounts or you've never had an open credit card, then opening a credit card could absolutely improve your credit scores quite a bit. So the whole point of this video is to say, everybody's situation is different. Take advantage of the free consultation that some credit repair companies offer. We offer a free consultation, and I know that sounds cliche. A lot of people say free consultation, stuff like that, but you should absolutely take advantage of it, because I get asked questions all the time. If I pay off this collection, will that improve my credit score? Or if I pay off my car early, will that improve my credit score? Everybody's situation is different. And so for anybody to just be out there giving generic advice like close your credit card or pay off that car or whatever the case may be without looking at the whole story, which is your credit report, the same advice doesn't work for every single person. So the point of the video is take advantage of the free consultation. Make it clear as soon as you call in, I'm not signing up for your service. I have no intention of using your credit repair service. I want to take advantage of the free consultation that you guys offer, and get yourself a game plan that's going to work best for you and where you're at and the steps that you need to take to improve your credit scores. That could be opening up a credit card. It may just be paying down credit card balances. You may have some negative stuff that you need to take care of. You may want to plan on getting yourself out of debt with credit cards. You may want to plan on how to handle your student loans. Everybody's situation is different. There's no single thing other than pay your bills on time and keep your credit card balances low that will work for every single person. There's so many different scenarios and things that could affect your scores differently than the next person who did something that you're trying now. So like I said, hang with me. I'm going to be doing as many videos as I can every single day. If you have questions, please post your questions down in the comments section. If there's questions that I'm not answering or topics that I haven't covered that you'd like me to cover, shoot me a message and I'm happy to cover it. Y'all have a great day.